Hello friends, welcome to my channel Slides Hub. Today I am here to present cryptocurrency. Many of us have heard about these currencies like Bitcoin, Tron, etc. in our friend circles. That he or she is trading on digital currency through many apps and earning profits. Here are the content, introduction, history, factors, advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. The first slide is of introduction. So, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Second, many cryptocurrencies are decentralized. Decentralized means the activity which is controlled by the several authorities rather than one single office. These currencies are not centralized. So, are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology are distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. Third point, a defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. These are the networks of different authorities. A brief history of cryptocurrency. A paper was made in a discussion on cryptography. Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, and was filled by a group of people or an individual named Satoshi Nakamoto. First fully developed cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, established in 2008. Mining is a process which generates new cryptocurrency. Transactions are recorded by blockchain. Then factors of cryptocurrency. First, risk on and risk of appetite. Second, industry-wide factors, education, asset-specific drivers. Then are advantages. First, decentralized. Then protection from inflation, self-governed and managed. Secure and private currency exchange can be done easily. Its disadvantages: first, no refund or cancellation policy. Second, can be used for illegal transaction. Third, data losses can cause financial losses. Fourth, decentralized but still operated. Fifth, by some organization. Sixth, susceptible to hacks. Nowadays, these types of trading becomes more easier through different apps like WazirX, CoinSwitch, Grow, etc. After this, our conclusion. Cryptocurrencies are no longer considered as legal tender in India. US, China, and many other countries expect China, Japan has taken the similar stand as India. So technically, if you decide to trade in bitcoins, you cannot use your money in India to buy or sell the bitcoins, as no bank in India can do that, and also can't convert it in Indian currency. Second, the government also banned banks and financial institutions regulated by RBI to deal in cryptocurrencies. So, in near future, use of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in India is doubtful. Thank you.